Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Okay, in the previous months we completed exercise 51. Now I'm going to start exercise 52. Let us start our class. Okay. See exercise 52. See the first one. 60 into something equal to 528. That means if you multiply any, excuse me, if you multiply a number with 16, you will get 528. That means if you divide 528 with 16, you will get that answer. Okay, see that 16 1, 16, 16 2 is 32, 16 3 is 48, 16 4 64, so it exceeds, 16 3 is 48, remainder 4 now drop down in 48, 16 3 is 48, now the remainder is 0. So answer is 33. See the second one, rupees. Here they given 158 rupees 45 paisa, 42 rupees 45 paisa, 30 rupees 15 paisa, and they are asking us to add. Okay, 15, 10, 11, 10 plus 3, 13, 1 plus 1, 2, 231 rupee 5 paisa. See the next one. What number is 1005 more than? What number is 1005 more than? Third one. What number is 1005 more than? 1005 more than? What number is 1005 more than? 4635. What number is 1005 more than 4635? That means what number if you add to 1005, you will get 4635. That means if you subtract 4635 with 1005, you will get that answer. 5 minus 5 0, 3, 6, 4 minus 1 3. It's nothing but 3630. See the fourth one, Nana. The greatest 4-digit number. The greatest 4-digit number. The greatest 4-digit number divisible by 3 is. Divisible by 3 is. Children, if you observe, what is the greatest 4-digit number? 9999. Is it divisible by 3? Once check. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the digits. 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. 36. 36 divides, divisible by 3 or not? 3 ones, 3 twos. So it is divisible by 3. So answer is 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number which is divisible by 3. See the next one. How many times 800 is 8000? 800 is 8000. 8000. How many times 800 is 8000? So that means 8000 divided by 800s. 8000 divided by 800s. Here if you observe 0 0 get cancelled, again 0 0 get cancelled. 8 ones, 8 zeros. So how many times? 10 times. How many times? 10 times that 800 is equal to 8000. The HCF of 12 and 40 is. What is the HCF of 12 and 40? So if you find the HCF of those two numbers, 12 with 40, 12 1 is 12, 12 2 is 24, 12 3 is 36, 12 4 is 48. So 12 3 is 36. 12 3 is 36, remainder 4. So again 4 divides 12 or not? Yes, 4 3 is 12, remainder is 0. So therefore HCF is 4. HCF is 4. See the next one, children. Find the LCM of 4, 16 and 20. LCM of 4, 16 and 20. The LCM of 4, 16 and 20 is, what is the LCM of those three numbers? 4 divides. LCM of 4, 16, 20. Division method. These three are divisible in 4 table. 4 ones, 4 fours, 4 fives. Here 4 and 5 are consecutive numbers. Consecutive means one number comes after the other. So no need to go through that process because they two are co-primes. LCM equal to 4 into 4 into 5. 16, 5, 80 is the LCM. See the 8th one, children. Color the fraction strip. Color the fraction strip. Color the fraction strip 5 by 7. That means they given a strip for us, that means a rectangular shape one. If they divided this one into 7 equal halves, and they are asking us to shade 5 in that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 7 is the answer. Okay, see the 9th one then. Circle the smallest fraction. Circle the smallest fraction. Circle the smallest fraction. So, what are the fractions given? 1 by 2, 5 by 6, 1 by 2. Children, if you observe, we cannot say directly which one is more and which one is less. So, find the LCM of those three numbers denominators. Here 6 is the multiple of 2 and 3. So, LCM is 6. LCM is 6. Now, convert this 1 by 2 into 3 by 3. You have to change the denominators as 6. 5 by 6 as usual, 1 by 1. 1 by 3 into 2 by 2. Simply you can write it as 3 by 6, 5 by 6, 2 by 6. Which one is more fraction? Which one is the smallest fraction? 2 by 6. So 2 by 6 refers to 1 by 3 is the smallest fraction. 1 by 3 is the smallest fraction. Here they give a factor 2 for us and they ask us to fill it. Fill in the circles 30. Here they given 15. Here they are asking us to fill the circles. So here 30 can be written as 2 into 15. 15 can be written as 3 into 5. They are asking us to write the prime factors of 30 are, what are prime factors here? 2, 3, 5 or the prime factors of 30. 2, 5, 2, 3, 5 or the prime factors of 30. Okay children, in the next class we will meet you again.